Are your houseplants secretly struggling, even though you're doing everything right? What if I told you some plants are naturally easier, more beautiful, and practically thrive on neglect? Today, I'm revealing 15 of the best houseplants that can transform your home into a lush, calming paradise, even if you don't have a green thumb. From air-purifying superstars to low-light survivors, to plants that literally grow in water, you're about to discover the easiest way to upgrade your space and your mood. Houseplants are more than just decorative elements. They are natural purifiers that can improve air quality and reduce stress levels. With their increasing popularity, it can be overwhelming to choose the right plant for your home. Below are 15 popular houseplants that add low-maintenance beauty to your home. Fiddle-leaf fig. This plant features large, glossy leaves, making a bold statement in any room. Despite its impressive size, the fiddle-leaf fig is surprisingly low maintenance, thriving in bright, indirect light and well-drained soil. Like many architectural houseplants, it's great for home decor and makes a strong decorative impact. It's a durable houseplant that thrives when soil is kept slightly dry, and it can reach 10 feet by 6 feet in the home. Not suitable for homes with pets. Snake plant. Known for its upright, sword-like leaves, the snake plant is a popular choice for beginners. It requires minimal care, tolerates low light conditions, and infrequent watering, making it ideal for busy homeowners. Depending on the cultivar, the leaves can be green, white/green, or yellow/green. A snake plant can reach a height and width of 4 feet by 2 feet at maturity in the house. Not suitable for homes with cats. Spider plant. This easy-to-grow plant features cascading green and white leaves. Long, arching stems develop with small plants that have a spider-like appearance. It adapts to various light conditions from bright indirect light to shade and prefers humid environments. It can reach 2 feet by 4 feet at maturity in the home. This plant is pet-friendly and safe for both cats and dogs. Monstera. Also known as the Swiss cheese plant, the Monstera is prized for its large heart-shaped leaves with unique gaps and splits. It comes in various variegated options and thrives in moderate light with well-drained soil. Monstera was featured in many Matisse paintings and has continued its popularity over the decades. It's a versatile houseplant used for home decor and can reach 6 to 10 feet by 6 feet in the home. Not suitable for homes with pets. ZZ plant. This ZZ plant has gained popularity in recent years due to its low maintenance requirements. It is a clump-forming houseplant with upright stems with many attractive glossy leaves. Black Raven ZZ plant is one of the black foliaged cultivars that is highly coveted. It tolerates a wide range of light conditions from bright sun to shade. A ZZ plant can reach 3 to 5 feet by 2 to 3 feet at maturity in the house. Not suitable for homes with cats. Pothos. This has been a popular houseplant for decades. It is one of the most durable of all houseplants, requiring minimal care. It's a great houseplant for beginners. The pothos is known for its trailing vines that can climb or cascade. The leaves are heart-shaped and can be green or variegated with white or yellow. It requires minimal care, preferring low light and well-drained soil. Not suitable for homes with cats. Tree philodendron. The philodendron has very large leaves with very lobed and incised leaves, which are a dark glossy green. This large foliaged houseplant has gained in popularity due to its impact on complementing home decor. It can tolerate low light conditions. Shangri-La is a new selection which has very textural leaves. It can tolerate bright indirect light to low light conditions. A warm and humid room will result in luxuriant growth. Not suitable for homes with pets. Jade plant. A popular succulent, the jade plant has thick, oval leaves and a shrub-like appearance. It requires minimal watering and thrives in bright, direct sunlight. This has been a popular houseplant for over 60 years. Because it's a succulent, it requires very little care to be a very successful houseplant. Not suitable for homes with cats. Rubber plant. A classic houseplant featuring large, glossy, leathery leaves and can grow quite tall. It adapts to varying light conditions, making it a versatile choice for any room. This old-fashioned houseplant has stood the test of time. It also makes a great architectural statement in the home. Not suitable for homes with pets. Prayer plant, zebra plant. Known for their decorative foliage with intricate patterns, prayer plants come in a wide variety. They prefer indirect light, high humidity, and well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Depending on the cultivar or species, they can vary from very diminutive, 6 inches by 6 inches, up to 4 to 5 feet tall. This plant is pet-friendly and safe for both cats and dogs. Air plant. These unique plants have no roots and absorb moisture from the air. Air plants come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, and thrive in bright, indirect light with high humidity, like bathrooms or indoor pools. They don't need traditional watering, but will benefit from occasional misting once a week, or can be completely immersed in water to absorb water. This plant is pet-friendly and safe for both cats and dogs. Peace lily. This elegant plant features white flowers amidst dark green foliage. It prefers indirect light and thrives in moist, well-drained soil. The peace lily has been especially popular in office buildings and malls, but increasingly has become a stalwart houseplant due to its durability. It needs indirect to low light conditions and should dry out completely between waterings. Not suitable for homes with cats. String of pearls. A succulent with cascading stems of orb-like leaves resembling pearls, the string of pearls is a unique and low-maintenance houseplant. It requires full sun and well-drained soil, such as a cactus mix. Not suitable for homes with pets. African violet. African violets are known for their vibrant colors in various shades of white, pink, purple, etc. They require special care, including watering from below and indirect light, but reward you with beautiful flowers throughout the year. This plant is pet-friendly and safe for both cats and dogs. Chinese evergreen. This lush plant features heart-shaped leaves with variegated patterns in shades of green, silver, white, and pink. It tolerates low light conditions and prefers moist, well-drained soil. In conclusion, with a vast array of options available, there's a perfect houseplant for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a beginner, consider factors like light availability, watering needs, and desired aesthetics to select the best plant to add life and character to your indoor space. Not suitable for homes with pets. So, which of these plants are you bringing into your home first? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know your favorites. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I've got more simple plant hacks, decor ideas, and growth secrets coming your way. And remember, you don't need a perfect home to feel good. Sometimes, all it takes is the right plant in the right place. Until next time, happy planting.